Nigeria Army bombardment in Umuaka. No be small thing o. They say that Umuaka in Umuaka, one community where they call Umuele, is under heavy attack by Nigeria Army. As we are talking right now, they say many houses don't burn yata. The village is on the run as these military men roll up to 18 armor tanker inside that village. Wetin be the problem? They say that they discover unknown gunmen camp for one community for inside that place, and they have tried to enter inside this unknown gunmen camp, but they could not enter, end up destroying and burning people's properties alongside. This is what is going on in Umuaka as we are talking right now. I'm going to bring you the videos for you to watch before we come back and continue.
Urulene wohya kula tsefu ohya konya la wakasi hamotka 18 numudim I frole
ya bikolo tago tapta ihe awo ihe mere ihe we gbara na Umuele ka wa ma kọrọ ihe o ọkwa n'ubule ọkụkọ bịara bịa kpamkpamkpa o ihe ji pinta ka mmanụ ka ọ gbawara ihe onye ọbụla nọ sef biko arịghị mma ịba n'ime ụlọ ba biko onye ọbụla nọ sef kekwe ha na-agwa gị egbe ngo shiri ba chinga ba bọọsụ ọta nka gbawa tanka adịnshọn ebe ka ọ ga nwere ike ebe ka ọ ga so ọ dị egbe o kele di ya ihe mkpụrụ mgbọ agbara zaida amasị anụ ke we ke for 200
within them ulo mana wona legode ulo mana boy legode them ulo mana ulo mana kayge yo kon legode henda ni na boy ay legode ay boy legode lo get them ulo ge boy ay boy legode them ulo ge boy then they pen on na cheese ay look at legode ulo mana boy le kula tra hono ma para isa boy na chino everything na chino ko machine na chino ko jera to hono no ko le pendo the machine no ko life everything.
Okay, my wonderful people, this is what is going on in Umuaka, in Umuaka, as I'm talking right now, in one community called Umuele, I think. So, this is very, very sad that the mothers, the children, the fathers, everybody have decided from this village as we are talking right now. And I hope that Hope Usodimma is finally seeing what he has instigated in Umuaka, because Umuaka has been a peaceful village that on their own for a very long time now. Even all this thing that happened in Olo, even some Olo people take shelter in Umuaka. Now they have seen that this village don't have hand and they don't, they are just on their own. They are looking for a way to instigate so many things in that particular village as we are talking right now. A lot of people have gone down some pictures and videos that we will bring up. Please follow us on our X, former Twitter, so that we can see the pictures over there, because we cannot post it here on Facebook or on YouTube. So Umuaka, as we are talking right now, is under heavily attack by the military men under Hope Uzodimma. I'm calling on Imo State because the people of Umuaka is not a people that you can push and they will leave you. Yes. When they get angry, they will retaliate. You cannot leave the people you are looking for. You are looking for non-government. Then what are you doing in people's compound? What are they doing in people's compound? Innocent people's compound. Shooting sporadically in the air. Direct shooting from the wall everywhere. A lot of people have been injured. People fleeing from their home for shelter in another place because of what they know nothing about. If you know where the unknown government is, go to that place and face the unknown government and leave the people of Umele in Umuaka alone. I don't know how we got to this stage. How we got to this stage in Imo State. We have been talking a lot this while. Now is in Umuaka. Hope Uzodimma, is it how you want to govern the people of Imo State? Before it's in Okigwe, a lot of people have been set back. You set people back over there, destroy their homes, and right now is in Umuaka. Go direct to who have committed any crime. Go and meet the people and leave the villagers alone. They know nothing. They know nothing. Is what this video, that young man telling you that is leaving his home right now. Now he's going to the bush for shelter. He's not even safe in the bush. 18 armored tanker come to the village. According to the information that we are getting, that these people tried to penetrate into the forest where they suspected unknown gunmen, but they had a gun battle inside that place. After then, it's like the government defeated them. They go back and reinforce. They didn't go to that particular forest. They diverted to villagers and start shooting sporadically. Everybody left their home and fled to the bush for shelter. And this is happening before everyone's eyes. A peaceful village has now turned a war zone under Hope Uzodimma. Please, I want you to share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot.